Want to make a conference call on your iPhone? Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or catching up with friends, it's easy to connect multiple people on a single call. Here's how to make a conference call on your iPhone. Solution 1. Making a conference call. 1. Start a call. Open the phone app. Dial the number of the first person you want to call. Once the call connects, let them know you'll be adding more people to the call. 2. Add another call. Tap Add Call on your screen. This will put your first call on hold. Dial the number of the second person you want to call. When the second call connects, tap Merge Calls to join the calls together. To add more people, tap Add Call again. Dial the number of the third person. Once connected, tap Merge Calls. Repeat this process to add up to 5 people to your conference call. Manage your conference call. While on the conference call, you can speak privately with one participant by tapping I next to the participant's name, then tap Private. To disconnect a participant, tap I next to the participant's names, then tap End. Tips for a successful conference call. Ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection to maintain call quality. Use a headset or earphones to reduce background noise. Inform participants when you are adding someone new to the call to avoid confusion. This is how you can make a conference call on your iPhone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.